Hi, I'm Poppy. Welcome to Spartan Kids. Today we will draw a butterfly. So let's draw a butterfly and make it the best. How to draw a butterfly. Step 1. Start by drawing a circle for the head. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. Step 2. Let's draw a body shape. Draw a U-shaped line. Step 3. Draw the first pair of wings. Try to make them symmetrical. Step 4. Now draw the second pair of wings. These are usually a bit smaller than the first pair. Step 5. Let's draw a nice little face. Draw the eyes and antenna. Step 6. Draw circles inside the first upper wings. Step 7. Draw circles inside the lower wings now. Step 8. Let's color the butterflies. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. See you soon with something new.